All right, hello friends. We're here on our next adventure. We're at Disney's Magic Kingdom. We're gonna go around here. We're still celebrating Emma's birthday. We're doing it all week long, but we're gonna go in here into the park and have a good time. Check out all the fun things this park has to offer. And we're gonna do a little fun thing. We're gonna have a Magic Kingdom versus challenge. We're gonna find out what we think are the best rides, attractions, and places to eat here in the Magic Kingdom. So why don't you come along with us? Best part about coming to Magic Kingdom right after the New Year's is they still have all the Christmas decorations set up. So I know everybody's usually tired of Christmas by this time, tired of listening to music, but it's beautiful the way they've got it decorated in here. Well, based on the crowd streaming into the park, it's probably going to be another busy day. Emma and I chose to go ahead and buy the Disney Genie Plus. After waiting in those 2+ hour lines at Hollywood Studios yesterday, we're definitely going to take advantage of that today here at Magic Kingdom. So just a little tip, if you are coming here for the holiday season and you still want to see all the Christmas stuff, as long as you get here by, I would say, about January 5th or 6th, they usually still have it all open. We've seen it up to about that long, and then they start taking it down. So you don't actually have to be here at Christmas to enjoy all the Christmas decorations. All right, so you got your Starbucks. Start off the morning right?
Yeah.
Yep. So what do you think they'll do with the castle after the 50th anniversary? You think they'll still keep it like that?
I mean, they're probably going to take the 50 thing down.
Yeah, I've heard that they may even repaint the thing. I hope not. I actually like the way it looks. They also have all these 50th anniversary statues all around the hub area, and they're kind of neat. I hope they don't get rid of them. All right, we've got runners. Right, Em? No, we always make fun of all the people who come here and run to the park. It's we'll get to the ride and we'll be only about 10 people farther behind all of these people who are running. So all right, so first verses of the day, Emma. Splash Mountain or Thunder Mountain? Since they're right by each other here. Splash Mountain is better? Yeah. I know both of these rides are super popular and we're gonna do both. Oh yeah, well, we're gonna do both of them to start off our day, and that way you don't have to make a choice, okay? Yeah. All right. Alright, so we've knocked out Thunder Mountain and now it's time to come over here to Splash. Park's only been open for about 25 minutes and this is the line over here already. Well, we're already soaking wet.
It's gonna get worse.
Yes.
I've had enough of this so right back to these adventures about to vanish.
Look yonder, there goes Bear Rabbit, being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear, as usual.
right, well, Thunder Mountain, Splash Mountain.
Splash Mountain.
Still Splash? Yeah, so we just got off a Splash, and God, I don't know how on earth I'm always the one who gets soaking wet, but yeah, so I get soaking wet again, but
barely got wet.
yeah, you know, the only disappointing thing is, obviously they're doing a refurb of the ride. They're gonna make it Princess and the Frog, so they're not fixing anything on the ride anymore. So it's pretty run down, right? I mean, there's a lot of things that don't work anymore, but I mean, it's still a good time. Still a good time. So. Splash Mountain wins out against Thunder Mountain on the first versus, so we're gonna head over to Tomorrowland and I think ride Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin and get ready for Space Mountain and have a little fun over in Tomorrowland. All right, you ready?
Allow me to introduce my new pals from the land of the rich and blind. Butler, the thing.
We'll be telling you, the idea will be fun. Find out who you are.
If you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight. Thank you.
Taking a little break up here on the People Mover. Gonna cruise around, see if we can see Tron.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star
Are you excited about doing Tron?
Yes.
Green
Yes.
and red lines. Don't worry, your express train light speed.
They've made a lot of progress on this ride since the last time we saw it. It's gonna be fun. Can't wait for it to open. So, did you have a good time on Splash Mountain, or not Splash Mountain, Space Mountain?
Yeah.
Yeah. It felt darker this time, huh?
Yeah.
Huh. Well, I think it's time for a little lunch break. Popcorn. Emma's already tucked into some popcorn, and we got to go over and get our treats at Sunshine Tree Terrace. Okay. Time for our break, right? Quick orange creamsicle float, I lava you float versus which one's better? I lava you float? No way. The classic orange creamsicle is better.
Mine has Pop Rocks.
Yours has Pop Rocks. Okay, I give you that. You've got Pop Rocks, but this is like an orange creamsicle. Oh, all right. You win. All right, well, we're done with Tomorrowland for right now. We're gonna head on over here to Adventureland. So we've got a new head-to-head matchup. We got Jungle Cruise and Pirates of the Caribbean. Which is your favorite out of those two?
Probably Pirates.
Pirates, yeah. So we're gonna go on Jungle Cruise first, and then we have that lightning lane for Pirates. So we're gonna do these back to back. Yeah, man, they're classic Disney attractions. And then, in fact, they actually still have the Jingle Cruise going on right now because all the Christmas decorations are up. So we'll get to see that right before that goes down. All right, let's go check it out.
Enter now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
We're getting ready to watch the parade here, the 3 o'clock one, and it's pretty amazing. This is quite an operation. They got to do this twice every day. you enjoy the parade?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna wait on the train. The train has just reopened. I think it's been closed now for just a little over 4 years, but they finally got it reopened, and so it's popular already. And it's raining out, so this will be a good little break. The clouds just opened up right before we're about to get on the train, and all these people down here at Splash Mountain Q are getting rained on.
For something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. That's the secret that makes intergalactic travel so simple to hear.
So we're back here watching Tron do some test runs. What do you think, Em?
I'm excited to ride it.
Oh gosh, yeah, it looks super cool. I mean, just basically, like literally just coming and walking underneath the ride, even if you don't like to do roller coasters. Here it comes. Yeah, they have the test dummies on there, and yeah, like I was saying, just walking underneath the ride and then the whole canopy will be all lit up. It's gonna look so cool here in Tomorrowland. All right, Haunted Mansion, or what should we go up against?
Pirates?
Okay, Haunted Mansion or Pirates?
Pirates.
What? No.
This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
All right, we have been at the park officially for 11 hours. No, 13 hours, and we're absolutely delirious. I mean, like, we're delirious, right?
Yeah.
I can't even walk. I can't feel my feet. Emma has lost all ability to control herself. We're just delirious. Right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that's all right. We're gonna go do the Tomorrowland Speedway, and Emma can officially drive because she's 16 now and she has her license.
Yeah.
So don't wreck us.
I won't.
All right, let's do it. Oh my gosh, what have I got myself into? Ah, help, help. AM time for the tea party. Yeah, we got a few more rides to get. We got a last reservation for Splash Mountain at 10:30 tonight, so we're gonna hit up tea party and then head on over there. All right, Em. So tea party or Dumbo, which is your favorite?
Tea party.
Tea party, yeah. Do you like to spin the cups or go
do,
casual?
You don't.
Yeah, well, you know what's going to happen if I spin the cup. Yeah, exactly. All that popcorn I just ate. It's not going to be pretty. All right. Well, Emma looked so miserable on her ride with me because she couldn't spin, so we'll let her have some fun on her own. All right, well, we have had a super awesome day at Magic Kingdom, and we're actually going to come back tomorrow and do a little bit more of our challenge, but in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and head on to the hotel and take a little break. We'll see you in the morning. All right. All right, well, we're back at Magic Kingdom. It's spitting rain on us a little bit, but that's not gonna dampen our spirits. We're gonna start our day off by going back to Gaston's Tavern to get a big fat cinnamon roll. Sound good? All right, let's go do it. Well, we had our cinnamon roll and we're up on the People Mover right now, just getting out of the rain, enjoying a looking around the park and people watching. So we're just gonna do a few things that we didn't get a chance to do the other day. So yeah, we're gonna have fun. We're not gonna let this rain ruin our day, although Emma's feet are already soaking wet, so that's kind of a bummer, huh? We may have to go to the car and get some other shoes, but we'll figure it out. We'll have a good time anyway. It's definitely another crowded day, that's for sure. Okay, Em, last ride on Splash Mountain. How'd it go?
It was good.
I know, I was just sitting there taking it all in because, you know, we've been riding this ride for over 2 decades now, so it was, yeah, it was fun. But like I said, I'm looking forward to what they're gonna do with it, huh?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be great. And it's still gonna be the same ride. Yeah. There's just memories. Memories all the All right, well, we have had an outstanding time here at Magic Kingdom over the last 2 days. We've rode all the rides we wanted to ride, had a few challenges thrown in there. In fact, Emma and I just had a little fun trying to guess how long it was going to take us to get on Splash Mountain, and I hit it exactly on the exact minute. So, hey, that just means we come to Disney a lot. But
That was close.
Yeah, well, you were off by 1 minute, so... But we have had a blast, and we're so thankful that you come along with us, and thank you for watching the Butler Family Adventures.